EBGBs123 here, back with part 2 of my booster box. Got through a few packs, hopefully get through a few more this video. Start off with the Crobat pack. Okay, so starting off with a Spearow, which I really do like that card. First one of them, very nice start to the pack, start to the video. Onix, Carnivine, Turtwig, Beldum, Jewel Ball Trainer. Ooh, my first rare candy trainer, which is very nice. Poliwhirl, a Politoed Reverse, which is a rare, and a Kingdra rare, with the dragon tail there in the background. Sweet, okay. And next pack. These packs really don't like me. Let's see what we've got. Okay, so we've got a Weedle, an Onix, Chinchou, Poliwag, Vulpix, Interviews Questions, Dunsparce, Life Herb, Reverse Roselia, and a holographic Magmortar. I really like this card. It's a very nice holographic rare. Much better than holographic, but yeah, okay. On to the next pack. Excuse me. Finally getting used to opening these cards. It's nice. I like these cards, and it's nice being back collecting. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my videos. So we've got a Beldum, got Poliwag, Tropius, excuse me, Cherubi, Natu, which is a very nice card. Energy Returner, Pupitar, Interviews Questions, Life Herb Reverse, and a Roserade rare. It's not too great, but it's not the worst pack. Let's see what I've got here. Okay, I've got a Misdreavus, an Onix, Riolu. I've just seen something nice in the back there. Poliwag, Spearow, Plusle, an Energy Returner Trainer, Pokemon Circulator, and my second prime, which is Ursaring. It's a very nice card. Yeah, I like the primes in these sets, they're very nice. Artwork's great. And my rare is another Floatzel. Okay. Next pack. a sore throat. Onix, Weedle, Squirtle, Mischievous, Larvitar, Numel, a Goodrod, Kakuna, Remoraid Reverse, it's nice, and the Steelix non-hollow, which is right because I've already got the hollow from the Steel Sentinel. It's a nice rare card. Suicune pack. Okay, so we've got a Horsey, Vulpix, Weasel, the Stantler, Larvitar, Cheerleader's Cheer, Seadra, which I really like the artwork for that. Yeah, that's really nice. Dunsparce, Jirachi Reverse, Jirachi, which is a rare, of course. It's a very nice card. I like that card. And another Ezreal rare. Not too bad a pack. Okay, so we've got Larvitar, Apom, Remoraid, Spearow, Larvitar, Grottle, Wartortle, Interviewer's Questions, a Reverse Plus Power. It's quite nice. I like the new artwork. It's nice. And Rare Lucario. Got one of them in my theme deck, but still a nice card. Fit a couple more packs in if I'm quick. Okay, so I've got Weedle, Squirtle, Mischievous, Larvitar, Zubat, MC's Chatter, Pokemon Circulator, Wartortle, Dunsparce, and the Alphalithograph card. That's a very nice card. I'm glad I got that card. Put that in my sleeve. Okay, fit one more pack in. Okay, so I've got Mankey, Zubat, Chinchou, Natu, Larvitar, Goodrod, Numel, Plus Power, Tropius Reverse, and a rare Ninetales. So I love the artwork on the Ninetales, it's beautiful. Gonna end the video there, guys. Stay tuned for part 3, check it out, subscribe if you want to. See you later.